Yeah.
I was like, oh.
All right. So today you're going to be learning more about what reversible and irreversible changes are. So to recap from our past lessons, can anyone tell me what a reversible change is? Lauren.
Something you can put back.
Something you can put back. Very good. So like, what's an example of something you can put back? Anyone else?
Like
Water.
Yeah, water.
Changing ice
To water.
water to ice, and then even back to water. Yes.
When you put like pink beads and green beads in a bowl, you can pick the green beads back out, and then you have pink and green beads again.
That's a really good one. Why don't you write it up on the board? All right. Now to switch off, does anyone have a good one for an irreversible change?
When you cook,
Heather? Raising hands here.
When you burn toast.
Burn toast. So what happens to the toast? It starts off as what?
Bread.
And then it turns into
Toast or really burnt toast,
Yeah.
and it can't go back to being
bread.
bread.
You want to write that one up for
Yes,
irreversible?
I do.
All right. Does anyone else have, back to reversible, does anyone have another one?
ooh, when you have, just kidding, I have an idea, never mind.
Anyone else? You can write the ice thing up there.
I have one for you.
Okay, what's your one for irreversible?
When you have a piece of wood and you cut it, you can't put it back to the same piece of wood. But can you?
But can you? You can write that.
all
That
pieces
is the
together.
question. Michaela, you can write
You
that up.
can't put it
You
back
can't,
in the right way.
yeah, the exact way that it was before. Yes.
Irreversible is like a tattoo.
Irreversible is like a tattoo. But can't you get,
No!
can't you get tattoo removal surgery?
My mommy says that if you get a tattoo that you're moving out of the house.
Fair enough. I'm so glad you guys like writing on the board. Yes, Stephanie.
It's like ice cream reversible because like you can freeze it and then it melts and then it's like you can freeze it again. But you
It's
still
just like
have,
ice, Stephanie.
freezer burn, which is
It's like,
terrible.
it's just like ice, yeah. Only you have different components in that. And
Or crayons.
Oh my god, crayons, yes!
yeah, so you look at all the things around you that can be reversed, but then there's also things around you that can't be reversed, right? So,
life altering decision.
yeah. So today, we're going to start off by, I'm going to hand out everyone a card, and then I'm going to ask you guys to each fold them in half, like this way. Oh, perfect amount.
Hamburger.
Yeah.
Hamburger, hot dog.
Hamburger.
This way.
Hamburger.
I don't know what that means, but okay, sure.
Hamburger this way, hot dogs the long
Yeah,
way.
like hamburger the fat way, hot dogs like the log in the other way.
The lines on the outside or the plain on the outside?
Doesn't really matter. Alright, so today what we're going to be doing involves glitter and salt.
Wow, even more
So-
glitter.
My two favorite things.
So, on one side, you're going to take your folded piece of paper, maybe start with the line side. You're going to write, do you guys know how to spell prediction?
Yep.
Okay, we're going to, do we know, wait, first, what is a prediction? Hannah?
It's a guess at what is going to happen using evidence.
Very good. It is a guess at what's going to happen. So, we're going to first start off by making a prediction with what's going to happen when we add salt to water, and then when we add glitter to water. So, I don't want anyone to say anything out loud yet. I want you guys to write down your prediction for the salt in that column on one side of the folded paper, and then on the other side of the folded paper, write down for the glitter.
Is the water warm or cold?
Miss this. I don't understand what we're doing.
I'll come over and help you. So you're writing your prediction, okay?
So
So you're going to write salt on that side, and we're going to write glitter on that side, and you're going to write down on each side what you think is going to happen. And make sure you try to use our big vocabulary words for the day. Reversible and irreversible.
I have another word for prediction.
Which is,
Hypothesis.
oh, that's a big word for the second grade, isn't it?
Ooh, how do you spell that?
I have no clue. I heard my mommy say it.
Oh wow, your mom is smart.
Yeah, she is a smart lady.
Miss Tess, can you
Yes.
spell hypothesis for us?
Would you like me to write it down?
H-Y.
P O T H
B.
E C yes.
That's
Wow.
All right. So put your pens down when everybody's done writing. Take your time writing it. Really take your time writing it. And then for the part where we're gonna put the salt and glitter in the waters, I want everyone to be able to do it. So we're gonna pass it around. Do you think we can handle that?
Yes.
Are we gonna spill it?
No.
No.
Yes.
Good.
Maybe. I don't know.
All right. I want to make sure everyone gets it. So I'm going to start with the salt on this side. Yeah, put a little in and then pass it on. The next person will put a little in. Put glitter in that one.
I feel like I'm gonna spill it. I feel like a funnel.
Yeah, I know. I should have like invested in a funnel or
It's
something.
okay,
If you want to like,
I-
put it in the cap and then put the cap back on, I
Wow,
don't know, we'll
genius,
work it out.
yes, maybe.
Whoa.
It's
What's
glitter.
happening?
Not too much, because we want to make sure everyone gets a chance, right?
No. Sharing. I really not caring.
My mom always said,
Why just take
sharing
the
is caring, so that must be right.
So for the glitter, you're probably going to have to take the cap and scoop it.
I think that's too fast.
I'll look at the net, and then I look underneath and I
That's what I had to do for mine.
That's just leftover from Britwitt's poster, so...
Is this how you create seawater?
Yeah, it is. So like when you get cankers, boom, that's your stuff right there.
Nothing happened.
Right here.
Put the cap on it. And
You just gotta keep passing on. We're
Oh
not
my
shaking anything
God.
yet.
Shake it.
We're not shaking anything yet. Nope. I know, I'm
Why?
sorry. Maybe I'll call up the
Why?
best listening person to shake the bottles.
Well, you know.
So you gotta be on your best behavior. Oh my goodness. Stephanie, didn't I say we were not spilling things?
Miss Tessa already said not to make a mess.
Oh, I hate this stuff.
Well, don't go near me then, because I got all over. Here you go, Hannah, try to be careful.
I'm like wearing glitter.
Okay, yeah, I have it on me.
I got it in my pants too and on my shirt.
Alright, where'd the cap to this one go?
I'm gonna be real sparkly today.
Alright, so our one with salt is all done, and then the one with glitter is still going around, so we'll wait on that.
Oh, this way.
Yes, yes, yes.
While we're waiting for my friends that aren't doing anything, we're gonna take a little tally, okay? So, who thinks that the salt, raise your hand I should say, if you think the salt is going to be a reversible change.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, 2 people. Raise your hand if you think the glitter is going to be a reversible change. 2, 3, 4. Alright. Now, for irreversible, we're going to do the same thing. Who thinks salt is going to be irreversible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. And then who thinks glitter is going to be irreversible? All right. Let's see. Are we all done? All right. Who would like to shake one of the bottles up?
Me.
Hannah and then Stephanie. All right, come on up.
We both did the same thing.
Can I have the glitter?
Of course.
Can I shake it?
All right, shake it to your heart's content.
Oh my god, this is gonna be so fun.
It's like the shake weight. My daddy has one.
Oh. I'm not kidding. My cat really has a pretty shake right now. He thinks it works. All right, so I think for the most part it might be done.
Yeah.
So Stephanie, what do you see?
I see salt everywhere in the water.
You do?
Yeah.
Is there more salt in there than there was before though, or less?
I don't know, it's the same, right?
I think that it's less.
You think it's less? I think you're right, Lauren. And then, what do you think with the glitters? Are they the same amount, less, more?
I think there's more.
Do you think there's more?
I think it's the
Whatever
same.
you guys say. You think it's the same? I think so too. All right,
No,
thank you guys for being great helpers. So, again, who thinks the salt now can be reversed? So, do you guys think that I can take the salt out of this water bottle right now?
No.
No, because what happened?
It disappeared.
It's all gone. It did what? Anyone know a word for it?
Dissolve.
Dissolve. Do you know what?
Yeah,
Do you know what?
your next question?
Do you know what dissolve means?
It means it dissipated into the water.
That's a big word for second grader. Yes, it did.
It disappeared in the water.
Disappeared.
So let's take another tally by just raising our hands. Who thinks that the salt can be reversible and the salt can be taken out? No hands. Oh, okay. So some people change their minds. Who think that the salt is irreversible and cannot be taken back out? Oh, I think everyone's hand should be raised.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Perfect, good job. So we learned. Awesome. Now for the glitter. Is it the same or the opposite? What do you guys see? I see a lot of glitter. Do you guys see a lot of glitter? Yeah, I see a lot of glitter. Okay, so do you think I could like pour this water bottle out onto maybe like a paper towel, have the water like drain out, and then the glitter would be on the paper towel?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it'd be like a reversible change. So it'd still be there and be able to go back to its original form, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you guys know what original means?
Yeah.
OG.
Yes, the OG form. So, glitter is reversible. Sadly, glitter, there's no need to be irreversible. It's reversible. All right. Does anyone have any questions? Okay.
Will you
so
drink the salt water?
I will not. That won't be going down the sink later. So,
glitter.
yeah, I'd rather not. I don't want to be seeing that for weeks later. So now I want you guys to take your index cards again, and I want you to flip it to the other side and write down what actually happened.
Can I just write down
And maybe
I
you should
was
also
right?
what?
Can I just write down I was right?
You can write that down, sure, but as long as you explain why you were right.
I was right because I'm the smartest student in the class.
Hey, that's not nice.
You all know it's true.
I'm gonna try to Molly.
Lauren, I think we're gonna have to deduct
My mom is
some
a lawyer.
points from your next grade.
Second graders really not know the
Why does this happen?
What happened?
Why does the salt disappear but the glitter doesn't?
Because water is a solvent and
What's it called?
salt is soluble, and so soluble things dissolve in solvents. Water is the best solvent on the planet.
Exactly what Lauren said. She took the words right out of my mouth.
I took kind of CSI lessons.
Now, before we finish up, does anyone have any other questions they need to ask? No? All right, perfect. Thank you, guys.
Glitter.